What is up, Chase That Coin family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin, and today I want to talk about, is Bitcoin gold worthless? Bitcoin uptrend continues. Altcoins, did you hodl or did you dump? All that in a few seconds. Everyone, please hit that like button and share this out so other people can find the stream. Since I don't want to make this one too long today, we're going to get directly into it. And first off, I want to start off with Bitcoin Gold. Now, Bitcoin Gold is in a very sticky situation. Yes, it did receive support from Bitfinex, but James Bond, I heard him say a very interesting theory about why they possibly supported, Bitfinex possibly supported Bitcoin Gold, which is it was a way for them to allow people to keep Bitcoin on the site. You know, they didn't want to not support it and have people move their Bitcoin, decreasing their volume. So that was probably a strategic move for them. Bitcoin Gold, honestly, I could see Bitcoin Gold going down to about 50 bucks. So if you are interested in Bitcoin Gold, I don't think it's worthless. I didn't try to access mine. I told you guys I'm not going to even look at it until some time down the line. So if you are interested in it, I'm going to give it a few days and I'll do some charting on it. But I wouldn't even look to pick this thing up until it came down to about 50 bucks. Then maybe I'd consider it. All right. Let's quickly jump into the Bitcoin USD chart. And in my opinion, guys, Bitcoin is still in a uptrend. Bitcoin is still in a bull market. We called for this. This what this arrow is here for, and that's why I love TradingView, and also Coinigy. It saves your markings that you put on your chart. So we called for this days ago. This is a healthy pullback. I said that we should be expecting pullback into the support at 55, 57, or even pull back into the upward trending line. So I'm not going to call a bear market for Bitcoin until it breaks down here, which is at 49.37. That will, or at least, minimum at least 51.05. But that's kind of, I would more so go with 49.43. And if it breaks that, then I would possibly, then I would say Bitcoin is in a downward trend. An overall bear market, possibly not, but a maybe an extended downward trend. All right. So let me check the chat, pull the chat up. We got a couple live viewers. Dump it in the altcoins. I mean, at this point, it's really not worth, you know, if everybody's thinking the same way, dump Bitcoin Gold in the altcoins, that's going to drive the price really far down. And it's not even, you're going to need a lot of them to pick up a good amount of altcoins, your favorite altcoin. So I would just hold on to it. Forget about it for now. Gold is garbage, dump. Yeah, I mean, if that's how you feel, if that is how you feel. Okay. And quickly, let's talk about altcoins. Did you dump or did you hodl, guys? The altcoin chart started to explode right as Bitcoin Gold announced that the snapshot was complete. Now, the snapshot came earlier than expected. That's one of the shady things that was going on with Bitcoin Gold. So there's a lot of things that were working against it. So as soon as people heard that, people, just like we expected, just like we were talking about, people that were buying Bitcoin for the intention of receiving gold, they dumped their Bitcoin in a sell-off. But as you can see, Bitcoin's still holding a good amount of Strength here. Let's check out the volume. The sell volume is there. It isn't tremendous, but it is there. And I'm expecting some more people to sell off Bitcoin. But we still have this upward trending line. And I'm more so expecting a move sideways along 55, 57 for Bitcoin. And along in this sideways move, this is when we're going to see some nice, this is just the beginning, guys. We're going to see some nice moves up in alts. Alts just started popping all over the place. A lot of the higher altcoins did pop, but a lot of the lower ones seen a nice pop. List saw a nice pop, even though this is USD value. When you see a very high USD value amount like this, then you know that the Bitcoin equivalent is usually pretty high as well. So this is 50. You probably gained about 40% Bitcoin value, or maybe even close to 50 as well. So let's check where I said I think the pops were going to be. So I was calling for bigger pops down here. ATM coin, whatever that is. Verge had a nice pop. And this is just the beginning. Smart Cash had a nice pop. Omar was talking about that earlier, if I'm not mistaken. There were a lot of nice pops, but this is just the beginning. So I think that I'm going to keep repeating this. I think there's going to be a nice window for you to make some good altcoin profits from now leading up until Segwit 2X. I wouldn't try to trade the week of Segwit 2X. I would try to just get out of my positions and hold my Bitcoin before that time, so I don't even have to deal with any pullback. But I think there's going to be a time when these alts start to move. I called for Obsidian. Obsidian popped nicely. Obsidian was down here somewhere. It popped. Nothing crazy, but the volume is picking up. And the sell orders are very thin. All right. The buys aren't heavy as well, but it's picking up. This is just the beginning, guys. So I would start to look at my favorite alts, look at the charts, and start to look for good positions where I can get in and get some Satoshi value before this 2X fork. I don't want to make this one too long. This is just a quick update. Crypto, what's up, bro? What's up? What about this Bitcoin fork? I wouldn't buy it. I would just, I personally would not buy this right now. I wouldn't even be paying attention to this. I would be looking at this between $25 and $50. $50 may even be on the high side. So I would be looking at this maybe $35, $25. Ubic, okay. A lot of these coins also got added to the Korean exchange Upbit. Upbit? Yeah, Upbit. So a lot of them received pops from that. Ubic was one of them. Stratus, a lot of these coins, I think about 100 of them maybe. So we saw a lot of pops, and this is just the beginning. I'm still anticipating China's and just more money from Asia starting to flow in slowly as we close 2017 out, leading into 2018. And 2018 is going to be the year. So start your dollar cost averaging in. Maybe not so heavy right now. Let's get this 2X out the way, and then start your accumulation up again. I don't want to make this one too long. I will be back at you tomorrow again. Like, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and keep chasing that coin, ladies and gentlemen.